My name is Victor. We're here at Local Tide, my seafood restaurant here in Fremont. We're about to start making one of our fried fish sandwiches using Dover sole. We chose Dover sole just because it's such a clean, mild flavor. What we really like about it is how thin the fillets are. It fries up nice and quick. So what we do with it, make them into nice form-fitting fillets to be able to put on a sandwich. And we just do a very simple dredge on them. We got panko here. Got some eggs and some flour. And we like to add a little bit of water to our egg. And we don't season any of this part because we're gonna do some seasoning at the end. And then we'll probably go over to the fryer and fry these up. See how thin these are? So they're gonna fry really nice and quick. And we do 2 fillets per sandwich. And while those are frying, I like to toast these buns. Throw down some butter. And you can see these are already cooking up pretty quick. Just a second longer. Those are probably there. Let these just drain off for a quick sec. Hope you don't burn your hand. And these are a little bit of our house seasoning. There's paprika, bay leaf, there's a little bit of sugar, there's salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then other yummy things. And we'll go move right over here. And I like to just kind of stack them. Like this. Oh, this guy's kind of falling apart, but we love it. You get your American cheese, and that goes into the oven. And let that sit just till the cheese melts. And we're gonna check our bread. It's getting toasty. At this point, when that goes into the oven, I like to pull these 2 bottom pieces. And this is our house tartar. We make our pickles in-house, our mayo. There's yogurt, a lot of dill. Our little secret weapon here in this is some horseradish. I put the lettuce down, not too much, not too little. You think they're done? They are. That's what they look like when they come out. Cheese is nice and melted. And this is one of my favorite parts because the sandwich looks great. Just goes on there. There's that. And these guys are pretty much done. Nice hefty fish sandwiches. Dover sole fried fish.